You lied about the stop sign.
You have your international driver's license?
You're a cop. You should know I don't need that. I'm a Canadian citizen. You have a treaty with us.
No, what are you doing?
What are you doing walking on me?
Why are you hiding your face?
Don't touch me.
Why are you hiding? Why
What is wrong with you guys here?
I don't even live in this neighborhood, dude. I just see you as a.
You don't live here? Give me my phone.
Excuse me, sir. What's your name? How can somebody come in and call? Do me a favor. No, turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Thank you. Good.
Cops are supposed to serve and protect, but sometimes they forget the serve part entirely. In today's video, you'll witness shocking moments where police officers overstep their bounds in the most outrageous ways. Some are just ignorant, others are outright dangerous, and the last one, possibly the most unhinged of them all. Things get physical without cause, and what happens next will leave you speechless. On May 23, 2018, a Canadian man cruising through Beverly Hills in his Lamborghini gets stopped by a cop, but not for anything serious. Instead, he's pulled over for reasons so ridiculous they'll make your head spin.
How's it going?
How are you?
Good, thanks. Can I see your driver's license, please?
Yeah, sure.
You have your registration and insurance?
Yeah.
What brings you to California, man?
Excuse me?
I said, what brings you to California?
Why would that be any of your business? I'm just hanging out.
Because you have a Canada driver's license? You don't have a... Where's your California driver's license?
I don't live here. I give you a Canadian driver's
So that's
license.
exactly what I'm trying to figure out. You're giving me smart answers, but I'm trying to get to the bottom of something.
It's not a smart answer.
It kinda is.
You're not customs. I don't need to explain to you why I'm here.
From the start, this officer proves just how clueless he is, and it only gets worse from here. Stick around to see how his nonsense unfolds.
Okay, so you need a California driver's license to drive in California.
No, you don't.
Are you a tourist?
Yes.
Okay, do you have your passport with you?
Yeah.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
International driver's license?
Excuse me?
You have your international driver's license?
You're a cop. You should know I don't need that. I'm a Canadian citizen. You have a treaty with us. I'm going to exit the vehicle to get my passport.
What is that? You actually do need it, just so you know.
No, you don't.
Okay, we'll find out right now.
Sure.
Okay, get it.
Have you seen the news lately?
Doesn't matter.
Oh, it matters. Have you seen the news of the other U.S. officer that tried to tell a Canadian just recently?
Nope.
Oh, you should check the news.
I don't care for it.
You don't care for it? No. So you don't care to do your job properly?
That's not my business.
No, it is your job to do your
Do me a
business.
favor, look for that. I don't care for you to question me right now.
Just when you think this cop couldn't get any more foolish, he outdoes himself.
So you don't care to do your job properly?
I am doing pumps. Get in the car.
Why'd you pull me over?
Your modified exhaust, the stop sign you
There's
just
no
ran.
modified exhaust.
Okay,
And the what?
sit in the car.
The what were you about to say?
The stop sign you just ran.
I didn't run a stop sign.
Just saw you.
Which one?
Lomita, sit down.
Which one?
I just told you. You're so busy asking me questions. You're not answering you're not listening to my answers. I said the one on Lomitas.
I didn't run any stop sign. I have everything on camera.
Okay, that's fine. So do I.
Pardon?
I said so do I.
Sure.
Stay in the car, don't get out, man.
No, I won't.
Here, hold on to this. I don't want to forget it.
Brace yourself. His lack of knowledge is about to turn into full-blown comedy.
Wow. International driver's license. He obviously doesn't know what he's talking about.
Hey.
What did he say?
He says that we can't stand right there.
Public property, isn't it? How you doing?
Great, how are you?
Awesome, man. I'm allowed to film you.
I didn't say you weren't.
I don't know why you're shining the light on my camera then.
Well, I'm just making sure I can see inside the car.
And is 11 out on the foot beat?
Well, you don't need to do that by following the
It's not
camera.
very defensive, sir. Why is that?
Because you pull me over and you don't know what for.
I told you what for. Look at your camera. You'll be able to see what for.
I didn't do anything though. You lied about the stop sign,
I didn't
and you
lie.
don't understand what exhaust is on my car.
Up to this point, things have been dumb, but not dangerous. That changes now. What he does next is flat out disgusting.
Car. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, so I'm citing you for not having a California driver's license, and I'm also citing you for having a modified exhaust. So go ahead and sign right here, send admission of guilt, just promise you don't take care of the citation.
What's that for?
I just told you.
No, you didn't. What was it?
Modified exhaust, right? 1.
Yeah.
You're not having a California driver's license.
I don't need a California driver's license.
So can you sign here, please?
And if I don't?
I have to take you to jail.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that part of the like not having a driver's license thing too?
California. So like I said, it's not an admission of guilt, just promising you'll take care of the citation.
This officer's lies start piling up, and it only goes downhill from here.
So with that being said, your car is subject to tow.
What?
Why? Because you're driving your own license in California.
I can do that.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I can. I have a Canadian driver's license. It's not illegal to drive here with that.
Okay, that's what I'm telling you. So my suggestion to you is I'm not going to tow your car. I'm letting you know that your car is subject to tow. Okay? So with that being said, I suggest that you probably go and park your car somewhere and not drive anymore. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
Okay, do you have any questions about it?
Yeah, I just don't understand how you don't understand the law and how you're like enforcing something on me that's not legal.
Okay. Like I said,
Yeah, it's all good.
you're innocent until proven guilty, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Like I said, the site, it's an admission of guilt. Just promise you'll take care of the citation.
But the driver, he's done playing games.
Yeah.
With that being said, sir, if I see you again driving the car, we'll tow it.
You have no permission to tow my car.
I do.
No, you don't.
Okay, so I can do it now. I'm choosing not to. Okay?
Yeah.
So I'm going to get into this little match with you. I'm just letting you know, and I'm advising right now because I would rather not do that.
It's because you know you can't.
I can.
I mean, you can, but at the end of the day,
absolutely
I'm right,
can.
you're wrong, but you'll still do it. I get it.
Okay, so
You're
if
just
that's
playing
the way you feel
hardball.
about
It's
it.
all good, dude.
Okay, so like I said, if I see you again, I will tow your car, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay? You have yourself a good night.
Yeah, you too, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna move it. I have to put my stuff back in the front, remember?
Just when things seem to be calming down, another officer shows up and does something completely shocking.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no worries. You have a good night, dude.
What the hell was that?
Oh, he's just full of He doesn't know how to do his job.
Down the street.
Who's his buddy? Yeah, I'd flip a U-turn too. So he told me he's gonna tow my car if he sees me again because I don't have a valid California driver's license, which is complete bull.
You can drive here, right?
Of course I can. Where's the police department?
Well, it's closed right now.
There's nobody there? How do you file a complaint if you want?
You can walk.
Yeah, we're going there right now. I'm gonna file a complaint on him.
You go down 2 streets and it's on the right hand side.
All right, bro. Got my boy in the front seat now navigating. The whole squad. By the way, they brought out the Jeep 4x4. But we're gonna go to the police station.
But as the man continues on his way, an unexpected moment of professionalism is waiting.
Police department, can we help you?
Yeah, I'd like to file a report.
What is it regarding?
An officer harassing me.
An officer harassing you.
Correct.
Can you be a little bit more specific?
A police officer is harassing me. I have his name and I'd like to file a complaint on him.
Okay. Why don't you come on up? Well, did this actually happen in the city of Beverly Hills?
It sure did.
Okay. Why don't you come on up, take the elevator all the way up?
So what documentation do you have, like as far as your ID or license, or because you got to understand, I'm trying to recreate what you're telling me happened in the field.
Yeah, valid insurance and registration.
Finally, a real cop shows up and shows how it's supposed to be done.
I was stopped tonight. The officer came up, told me he stopped me because of a
Modified exhaust?
No, first he said I ran a stop sign. I said, no, I didn't.
I won't argue that. I mean, just so you know, all of our stops are recorded.
Yeah, perfect.
So,
and he never gave me a ticket for it in the end.
Okay, so basically this is an infraction not having a valid license, driving, without a valid license. That's
Right.
what his interpretation is. And you're saying, what you're showing me is you have your Canadian driver's license.
Yeah, it's well known we're allowed to drive down here.
You mentioned, though, the concern to me is you're saying that you were threatened because, as law enforcement officers, hey, I want to file a complaint. We take it seriously, right? Because
If only the earlier officers had taken notes from this one. He's taking action. The officer made a massive mistake and he's going to pay the price.
he gave you a ticket, in your opinion, which you should not have received.
Correct.
For this particular section.
But this one's really simple for you guys to know.
Got it.
Right? Like this isn't like we need to get into like what a Lamborghini exhaust looks like.
I understand.
This one's like, you guys should know. You pull over Canadians, unless he's brand new on the job, this guy's pulled over other Canadians and other foreign people, right?
Understood. You got a citation for something you should not have received.
Correct.
That's item 1.
And then the threat to take my vehicle away from me based on that citation, which doesn't exist.
Okay, so the good news is that did not happen. You have your car.
I have my car at the moment, but I want to go for dinner in Beverly Hills and I don't want to be harassed while I'm here for the rest of my 5-day visit.
Got it. Okay. So then what is the desired outcome? Did you want me to speak to the officer about this? What is your end goal? What is it that you'd like to have happen?
But the man
I'd like to
isn't
file a
just going
complaint,
to move on.
and I'd like the officer to be educated on the international, Canadian, U.S. driving, whatever the legal jargon is, that I can drive on this license.
Right.
And I'm not to have my vehicle towed if he sees me around Beverly Hills again.
Okay. Can I get some of this information?
Absolutely.
Down, and then I'd
Take all of
obviously
it.
need like a...
I have all the time you need.
All right.
Thank
Just give
you.
me a second.
And thank you for your time.
Yeah, no problem. Complaint. Mistakes are made.
Absolutely.
So an interpretation of a penal code or vehicle code, an honest mistake, not negligence or targeting someone. You understand what I'm saying? The more important issue to us, and I'm not demeaning that because obviously we want well-educated officers, so that's very important. The most important issue is the manner in which you're spoken to.
You can bet the clueless cop is regretting his choices now. And if not, he will soon.
So what kind of car do you have?
I have a 2016 Lamborghini Huracan.
Ooh, nice. I'm not a big car guy, but that sounds expensive. A Lamborghini, what's the model?
Huracan, H-U-R-C-A-N.
Just drive safely, that's all I could say.
I always do, sir. Thank you.
That's yours.
Thank
That's
you.
yours. And do I have anything that belongs to you?
I don't believe so, but I did promise to give you this back.
I know, right?
Right?
All right,
And
nice meeting you. Take care, sir. Thank you.
I'm sorry for
All right.
the time wasted. It could be used better.
No, you know what? That's my function tonight, so we're happy to help, right?
Great. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Cheers. And there you go.
Take the stairs.
We have a filed complaint. Drive through Beverly Hills and see what happens.
I almost want your car to get towed so that it's
Don't say that.
This group of officers was bad, but the next batch, next level dangerous. Buckle up.
No, what are you doing?
What are you doing walking on me?
What the hell are you doing?
What are you doing walking on me?
On January 13th, 2024, an auditor simply doing his job is confronted by a man so entitled it's disturbing. But the most shocking part is still to come.
What are you doing out here?
Excuse me? I'm looking for something?
No, what are you doing?
What are you doing walking on me?
What the hell are you doing?
What are you doing walking on me?
Do you know this guy?
No.
Okay, what are you doing?
If you think he's aggressive now, just wait. It escalates fast.
Please don't do this to me.
Don't walk on me, please.
Oh, don't walk on me. What the hell are you doing here?
Please don't walk on me.
Why are you taking pictures of my vehicle?
I'm sorry?
What? He's taking pictures of me too.
Because I needed to get some information.
For what?
I just need.
Information, come knock on my door.
Okay, I just needed information. Please don't approach me, sir.
The chasing, the intimidation guy is just getting started now.
Sir?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Sir, what are you doing? Don't touch me.
Why are you hiding your face?
Don't touch me.
Why are you hiding? Why
What
are you hiding
is
your
wrong
face?
with you guys here? What is wrong with you guys here? Why this?
What? Look
Let
at you,
me-
dude.
let
Why
me
are you guys
explain.
here? I don't even live in this neighborhood, dude. I just see you as a piece.
You don't live here? Give me my phone. Please, give me my phone.
What are you gonna call police?
Give me my phone, please. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone,
Pistol,
please.
dude. If you want to fucking
Give me my
calm
phone
down.
back now.
From stealing to threatening, this man thinks he's untouchable. But reality hits hard when the truth is revealed.
Why did you give it to? You touched my phone, I do you too.
Your cops right there.
I don't care. I don't care.
Fuck.
No, he took my property.
Fuck.
He stole my property. The son.
Walking up and down the street taking pictures of my vehicle for some reason.
No.
He saw.
It's far from over. More disturbing behavior and bold remarks are on the way.
To apologize to me for taking my property, I will not press charges on you. But if you do not apologize, these men will have to take you to jail.
Hey, so you're gonna take me to jail? If I press charges, these men would have to take you to jail.
Is that where it's at? So I have
So,
to apologize?
would you like to apologize to me or not?
Hey, no, nobody has to apologize.
Okay, but I will press charges if you don't.
Let me talk to him, okay? You're not helping right now.
Listen, we're
are
still
not
investigating
helping.
this, okay?
He broke my phone.
I understand.
You are not helping.
You
Let me
broke
talk.
you.
The auditor may feel alone, but justice is brewing, and court is right around the corner.
You guys, no, turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You look at me.
On July 15th, 2021, an officer crosses the line while confronting an auditor practicing his constitutional rights and ends up dragging the entire department into hot water.
Let's see how they do. I don't have a lot of hope for this one, but you know. How you doing, sir?
Where do you have to go today?
City clerk. Town clerk, sorry. Why do you need my name, sir?
Huh?
Why do you need my name?
I need your name, or else you can't go upstairs. I have to clock everybody in. This is the house rules. I have to give everybody a card, and everybody's got to log in. I don't set the rules, I enforce the rules. So either you give me your name, or you can turn that thing off. Either you can give me your name, or else you have to leave.
I'm not going to turn my camera off, sir. Respectfully.
Or then you have to leave. You can't go upstairs. I have to. Everybody's logged in.
The situation takes a shocking turn as a guard flips the switch, and it's all caught on camera.
There you go. You're gonna turn that off, or you're giving your name, or you're gonna go.
Okay. Listen. So all I'm trying to explain to you, sir, is that I just shouldn't have to surrender my Fourth Amendment right to enter a public building. Don't go there. This is United States of America.
I am the guard here. I don't make the rules. I enforce the rules. I don't like being on film.
Okay.
So you can knock it off.
I can understand why.
Okay. So what do you want to do?
You're not a nice gentleman.
I'm not. I'm a rotten person. Yeah.
Your name is Janusa.
Look, buddy. Either get out or else you give me your name.
Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me.
Hang on a second.
Don't touch me, man.
Hang on a second. Put it down now. I'm telling you right now.
Listen, man. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch.
But trust me, this story is far from over.
What's going on?
Nothing.
You were just at the PD?
Yeah, I was just at the PD.
Okay. Were you here earlier recording?
Yeah, I was here earlier recording.
And then you went to the PD?
Uh-huh.
And now you're here?
Yeah, I'm here because I wasn't allowed upstairs.
Okay.
So I had to go to PD to file a criminal complaint against this gentleman for assaulting me.
Okay.
So that's why I went to the PD to write a statement. I'm here again because I'm a journalist working on a story.
Did you record over the counter like they said?
What they're saying, officer, is that I can't even enter into the town hall office and record in the office. Because if I do, they're saying that that is somehow against the law.
It might seem calm for now, but watch closely. Chaos is about to erupt.
But as I'm sure you're aware, I'm not putting my phone behind a camera. I'm not in a restricted area. Eyes can't trespass. So whatever I can see from public, I can record. Right? Okay. So that's all. I'm not going into restricted areas. I don't even want to talk to anybody. I just want to walk around here, gather my content, and be on my way. But this gentleman over here wants to escalate. Yes, he wants to escalate the situation after he just put his hands on me. He obviously didn't learn his lesson. I felt bad for pressing charges on you because I was like, I don't want to ruin this guy's life. But guess what? You deserved it, buddy. So at the end of the day, he's out of control. He's causing a disturbance. You can't. I'm conducting a lawful activity. How can you turn that into a disturbance?
This officer might seem cooperative, but that's about to change drastically.
Hey, can I get this from you? I should be able to ask for services, but they're preventing me from acting services. But
right now, they're preventing.
But that's not your problem because you know that's something a court can handle in a civil suit. But they're trying to get you to use your authority to arrest me or to prevent me from just simply engaging in a constitutional. If they want to lock the doors, that's fine. I'm not telling you to, hey, officer, they're locking the doors, arrest them. That's for a court to decide, right? They can do that, lock it, whatever. I think it's wrong, but what I'm saying is, I'm not doing anything wrong. I just want to walk around town hall and film. That's all I want to do, because I'm a journalist exercising my First Amendment right.
Now the auditor starts revealing the real truth, and it's jaw-dropping.
Got your side of the story. Obviously, there's two sides to every story. I gotta listen to them too.
This is another reason why I record, because there's only one side of the story. There's always two sides of the story, but then there's the truth. There's
there's the middle ground,
and then there's the truth, right?
Right. So once they decide what's going on, or they tell my coworker, and then if you're recording and you're not bothering anybody, and you're not obviously going over the counters,
not going over the counter.
I mean, I don't.
That's what I'm saying.
Whatever.
I don't understand. So what I did was I just walked into this town clerk's office right here to ask her for a FOIA request form. And as I walked in there, the security guard who assaulted me earlier got in front of me, said, "You can't record in here, you can't record in here."
What happens next? Possibly the worst thing we've seen an officer do on camera.
Excuse me, sir, what's your name?
How can somebody come in and guys?
No, turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Thank you.
Good. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that in your pocket. All right.
Go. You were told not to go film in the offices. You film in the offices.
Okay.
Just gonna make sure you don't have anything on
There you go. You got your body camera on?
Yes, I do.
I don't see the red light.
Yes, it is. See?
Okay.
There you go.
What am I being arrested for? What am I being arrested for?
Trespassing.
Okay. In town hall, correct.
You were told not to film over the counter, which you
I
did.
wasn't filming over the counter. I was filming in the office.
The cops ignored him then. But now they can't. They're in court and justice is finally catching up. Let's see how confident these officers feel now that they're forced to explain themselves in front of a judge.
You commit the crime today, and I go away in cuffs. Isn't that justice? You committed the crime today, buddy, and I'm in cuffs. The difference is, when you're arrested later, it's going to be a lawful arrest.
You want me to grab the statement? I don't think it's gonna fit in my car.
Sure.
Hey, did you ever ask me to leave, officer?
I wasn't here before.
Did you ask me to leave? You asked me to leave? How about you? Did you ask me to leave? Oh, it's on your body camera telling me to leave? Because don't you gotta warn somebody first? Don't you gotta ask somebody to leave first? No?
I'm gonna submit a warrant. I'm gonna review the camera footage, right? Yeah. I'm gonna get his statement. I got his statement, your statement, and the camera footage.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put that all in a report.
Yeah.
I'm gonna review it.
Yeah.
If I have probable cause to believe that your actions rose to the level of, I would call it an assault, since luckily he admitted to me that he was not injured and he did not want medical attention.
Yeah.
Although an impairment of injury. Yeah. According to definition, is impairment of physical condition. So I'm not going to do it to you.
Yeah, but I mean, I didn't.
I know it doesn't matter. If you push somebody, I'm not going to do it to you because I don't want to assault you. But if you impaired somebody's physical condition,
I just kind of put my hands up.
Well,
This sergeant might be the worst of them all, going to absurd lengths to violate the law.
I'll submit warrants, maybe even for both of you, if some of his language is to the point where it's disruptive.
Yeah.
Then I'll submit a warrant for both of you, and we'll see and then it's up to the court.
I can get arrested?
Yes, it's up to the court. You got physical with somebody that, for the most part, you really had no reason to be physical with.
I didn't want him going.
Because he was filming.
Upstairs.
I know, but for what? For what? He's filming. What is he doing? Why can't he go upstairs? It's a public building. It's City Hall, for Christ's sake.
Like I said, if I was given those forms,
you know.
He thinks he's safe, but something is coming that'll shake his entire world.
This is a matter of State versus Trump Paul Reyes. Mr. Reyes, I apologize to you. You were scheduled for 2 p.m. today. It was not like I was in here having a picnic. We went until about 30 minutes ago with today's docket was longer than usual. But I am cognizant of the fact that you were here scheduled for trial at 2 p.m. In addition, I know we have witnesses here called by the state subpoenaed who were here scheduled and they were here on as well. So under the circumstances, it's atypical, but sometimes things happen. Like I said, I've made as many apologies as I could with regard to that. So we'll start now, then we'll take it up tomorrow. Matter of fact, let's be safe. Let's just say 2:15 each day going forward, okay? Thank you, Aaron.
They thought they were above the law. Now they're facing it head on.
Do you solemnly swear or solemnly and sincerely affirm, as the case may be, that the information provided today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God, or upon penalty of perjury?
Yes.
Sir, please state your name and title for the record, please.
Sergeant Vito Yacovelis of the Danbury Police Department.
Thank you very much, sir. You may be seated.
You work for the Danbury Police Department?
Yes, I do.
How long have you worked for them?
I have worked for the Danbury Police Department since September 28th of 2015.
Okay. And what is your current assignment with that department?
I am a sergeant in the patrol division.
Okay. And how long have you been a sergeant?
I was promoted to the rank of sergeant December 19th of 2021.
Time to roll the footage that started everything.
Excuse me, sir, what's your name?
How can somebody come in?
You guys.
No, turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put that in your pocket. All right.
Go. You were told not to go film in the offices. You film in the offices. Okay.
Just gonna make sure you don't have anything on.
There you go. You got the body camera on? Yes, I do.
I don't see the red light.
Yes, it is. See?
Okay.
There you go. Come on.
The guard's disgusting comment takes this to a whole new level of disgrace.
So I put my hands up. I tried to check him, or don't say that.
I don't know what that means.
He saw it when I put my hands up when he was coming. I kind of was blocking him with my.
Yeah, so say that. Say block, not checking. It's not. We're not playing hockey.
This officer tried to cover up a slur by tampering with body cam footage, and now the truth is out.
I think that this, like you mentioned, David, this is a gross waste of taxpayer resources for a $90 fine, which ultimately turned out to be, when you look at the aspects of a $10,000 bond and paying $1,000 of that to be released, compared to the $90 fine and the legal expenses that go throughout this on both sides, on the defense as well as the prosecution, it just seems absurd. And to that effect, you know, I did hear the state's attorney who was prosecuting me say that this was a stupid infraction trial.
The auditor stands tall, and the judge has something to say.
I'm not getting to whether or not he, beyond reasonable doubt, violated the filming policy. Whether he stood in the foyer, whether he stood up to the counter, whether ICE can trespass, whether ICE can't trespass. Because I found already that the behavior on the second floor was not so offensive as to constitute creating public disturbance. So it's arguable that Mr. Reyes, in fact, created a public disturbance that day, or certainly helped create the public disturbance. But under the statute, he did not create a public disturbance with regard to the criminal statute, which is titled such. So, like I said, not guilty on creating public disturbance with regard to either, in that I saw no evidence that it was not universally applied to everyone, and also with regard to him having an understanding that he was not licensed or privileged to do so. I also found that, for reasons I've already indicated, he certainly knew he wasn't licensed or privileged to go beyond the foyer without the pass. Whether or not that particular policy was effective is not something I needed to be able to find beyond a reasonable doubt. I needed only to be able to find that it existed, and it was a lawful condition, and based upon all that we saw during COVID, certainly this policy, as flawed as it may have been, was a lawful condition based upon Mr. Reyes' ability to enter the town hall building.
What the judge says next will stun the entire courtroom.
During that time, I have no evidence before me as to whether or not that policy is still in effect, but I think if it was, there would probably be other considerations any kind of fact finder would have to make with regard to ruling on the statutes and the elements of that particular statute. So with that being said, I want to thank both of you. Certainly it was a long time, and it's never easy when you're doing a video. And certainly, I'll make this one last comment, is with regard to the professionalism of the media. Certainly that was, I think, seamless. I appreciate that. But under the circumstances, I know this is going to become more and more common as we go forward.
These cops thought they could get away with it. Instead, the city's paying the price. And the auditor? He's walking away victorious. If you made it this far, you're probably just as shocked and disgusted as we are. Corruption, lies, and abuse of power like this can't be ignored. And thankfully, brave citizens and honest judges are stepping up to call it out. If you enjoyed this breakdown of justice served, don't forget to like the video and comment your thoughts down below.